Hello everyone, welcome. Here I am on the corner of Hartford Lane and Smithfield Place in the village of Belvedere. And I found an open home on a quiet cul-de-sac. And this is very typical in the northern part of the villages. You have a designer home neighborhood. These are wood-framed homes located on a very quiet cul-de-sac. Very highly desirable location, only a few minutes away from the Publix grocery store at Buffalo Trace Plaza, which is over that way, a 5-minute golf cart ride. It's also probably a 10-minute golf cart ride to the Walmart Superstore, probably 6 or 7-minute golf cart ride to the brand new Costco store. And here we have a wood-framed home with a 2-car garage and a golf car garage. List price for $399,000. It was built in 2004. It's located at 560 Smithfield Place in the Villages. It's on a 1/4 acre lot. Roof replaced in 2020. No bond, gas furnace and gas water heater, 1-year-old refrigerator, electric stove with a gas hookup, floor tiling throughout, tray ceilings in the primary suite, inside laundry. Taxes, roughly $3,000 per year. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. This home is in a highly desirable location. And as always, if you're interested in this home, please contact Anne-Marie Price with Realty Executives. She is the listing agent. I do like homes on these quiet cul-de-sac streets. It's on a very large lot. You can see the landscaping in the middle is in great condition. You have stone landscaping, large palm trees. It is a wood-framed home. Very high ceilings. Let's take a walk inside, and the first thing I notice is these beautiful tile floors, very high ceilings, acoustic texture as well. Off to the right you have bifold doors on a coat closet, and then you have a kitchen off to the right. Those are solid surface countertops right there, friends. I do like the cabinets. You have recessed lighting in this home. It's 1,667 square feet. There's your electric stove. It has raised panel cabinets. There's your inside laundry there as well. Let's take a walk into that garage space. You're going to see a 2-car garage with a golf car garage in this home. List price, $399,000. It does have a LiftMaster garage door opener on the 2-car garage side. There's a golf car side as well. It does have a sink, and you will have your mechanicals behind those doors. You'll have your air handler in there as well. This is your kitchenette area. You do have shades. And we will walk to the back of the home and show you the outside. This is solid surface sink as well. No seams. I do like that. It does have a beautiful kitchen island. Let's take a video of the spec sheet. It's located at 560 Smithfield Place. $399 is the list price, built in 2004. It has no bond. Roof was replaced in 2020. Gas furnace and water heater. And those are the particulars that I went over earlier. It has tile in the bedrooms, in the bathrooms, in the kitchen space. This is the back of the home. Dining room, living room is all tile. Very nice home. And your taxes are fairly low. This is located in Sumter County. And taxes are around $3,000, $3,004 per year. This is a dining space located. You do have a pass-through window in that kitchen area as well. Let's take a walk out into the lanai. It does have an enclosed lanai. It is screened in. It also has a bird cage. There is a painted concrete floor. Very nice home. The back of the home does face east. So that way is east, friends. That way is south. Very large bird cage. It is on a corner lot. It is about 2.25 acres. And I will take a walk into the back of the home and show you what that looks like. Very large lot. That is the cul-de-sac over there, friends. That is Belvedere Boulevard. And that is the home. That roof looks in great condition. It was replaced in the year 2020. It's a beautiful and gorgeous day in the Villages, too, by the way. What are you waiting for? The weather is starting to turn great in the Villages. It is your bird cage. You can do a lot of entertaining here. That is your AC unit right there. That's behind the golf car garage. You do have a lot of plantings. Let's go inside and take a look. Now we'll walk into that bedroom area, the primary bedroom. Very high ceilings. This room is awesome. It is a cathedral ceiling too, by the way. You do have blinds on the window. This is the primary bedroom. It has 2 doors entering into the bedroom area. Tile floors, tray ceiling with a ceiling fan. Let's continue the journey. It is decorated neutrally. The paint is neutral. Very nice. And then you have the primary bathroom area, tile floors in that bathroom. There's tile everywhere in this home. There's even tile in the closet. Walk-in closet. There is a pocket door that leads into the primary bathroom area. And here's another closet. You have a closet on both sides of the hallway. And you have a shower. That's a tile shower as well. There is a seat in the shower space. It has a light in the shower. This home is in excellent condition. There is your vanity right there. 2 sinks. It is a laminate countertop on the vanity. And then off to this side, you have a toilet room with a sliding pocket door and a window in it. This home is light and bright. Again, exterior wall, and it has a window. If you watch my videos, I'm telling you all the time that if you have a room on an exterior wall, you should have a window in it, or you're missing out on an opportunity to let some light into your home. Now we're exiting the primary bedroom space. There's your dining area. This home is in a great location. It is close to shopping. If you want to get to where you need to be on a golf car, the village of Belvedere is one of the best villages you can do that in. This is a very large linen closet. We are entering the guest quarter area. You're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom in this space. This is a guest bedroom in the front of the home. It does have tile floors. There is a Murphy bed in here as well, and it is a bedroom because you have bifold doors on the closet. So this you can use as an office and or a bedroom. Acoustic textured ceilings, and this is the guest bathroom. Tile floors. There's tile everywhere in this home. Laminate countertops, 1 sink. You do have a tub and shower. That's an extra deep tub, by the way. There is a tile surround on that tub area. It has a window. Again, it's a room sharing an outside wall with a window. Does have a fan in the ceiling. Here's another guest bedroom in the front of the home, tile floors, acoustic textured ceilings. You do have blinds on the window, and it is a bedroom because you have bifold doors on the closet. I wanted to show you what the closet looks like. There is the closet. You have a wire rack shelf. Excellent location on a cul-de-sac in a great village. The village of Belvedere affords you the opportunity to shop pretty much anywhere you want using a golf car. You could actually live here without the use of a car. The only time you would need a car is maybe to see your doctor, maybe on 441 or wherever your doctor is. Very high ceilings, excellent architecture. Let's take a walk back out to the street. I'll give you one last view and one final thought. It does have orange peel texture on the wall. And there's the villages trimming the common areas. That would be part of your maintenance assessment fees that you pay at the end of the year on your property tax bill. As always, friends, if you're interested in this home, contact Anne-Marie Price, your listing agent at Realty Executives. I'll show you one last time that golf car garage and the palm trees. Let's take a walk back out to the street. Give you one last view of this home. That is your video for today. A 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Oleander model designer home in the village of Belvedere. List price $399,000. I think this is in one of the best locations in the villages. Allows you to go shopping on your golf car. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my videos. Feel free to forward them to anyone you feel is interested in the content. Have a great day. Take care and stay safe, everyone.